watching eNow. I'm Ranelle, and kicking off the show tonight, B-Town's most popular Casanova, Ranbir Kapoor. Now, after all that Ranbir bashing on Kejo's couch, we think the young man should actually cash in on what everybody wants to know, his relationship status. So is he dropping any hints? Find out.
Posted controversial coffee with exes Deepika and Sonam on Kejo's couch, this wannabe good boy is now only termed a playboy. And hence the questions on his love life just don't end.
जैसे कि आप रॉकस्टार कर रहे हैं विद नरगिस फकरी, तो क्या आप नरगिस को भी सजेस्ट करेंगे कि वो पैनासोनिक प्रोडक्ट ही यूज़ करें?
मैं सिर्फ नरगिस को नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली पूरी इंडिया को सजेस्ट करता हूँ। मैं इसका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ।
आज ही पेपर में न्यूज़ आई है कि आप प्रियंका से थोड़े अपसेट है, सो वुड यू लाइक टू कमेंट ऑन दैट? क्या वजह थी, क्या हुआ था?
नहीं, ये फिर से बिल्कुल गलत रिपोर्टिंग है।
हर रोज कोई ना कोई खबर आ रही है आपके बारे में पेपर में कि आपका कटरीना से ब्रेकअप हो गया है, आपने डिच कर दिया, यू आर गोइंग अराउंड नरगिस फाकरी। वुड यू लाइक टू कमेंट अबाउट द सेम कि क्या कहते हैं आप इन रूमर्स के बारे में, इन खबरों के बारे में?
No, it's just stupid, baseless.
Baffled Ranbir Kapoor at an event to endorse a brand, but growing visibly upset with every question.
रोज मैं अपने बारे में पढ़ता हूँ कि आज मेरा इसके साथ लिंकअप है, उसके साथ लिंकअप है। बुरा लगता है एंड मुझे अभी डर लगता है कि मैं बाहर अगर अपने दोस्त के साथ भी डिनर के लिए जाऊँ तो शायद मुझे उसके साथ लिंक कर दे, तो मेरा जीना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है आजकल। तो मैं यही प्रार्थना करता हूँ, ये विनती करता हूँ कि प्लीज़ मुझे रोज़ किसी के साथ लिंकअप मत करो। अगर मेरी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड है, मैं खुद आपको डायरेक्टली फ़ोन करके बोलूँगा कि देखो मुझे प्यार हो गया है और मैं इसके साथ शादी करने वाला हूँ।
Thankfully, the heartthrob's shining career gives him a reason to smile.
I have with me the very charming Ranbir Kapoor, promoting yet another brand and adding to his already huge list of endorsements. Ranbir, you are a brand in yourself. Okay, so if you have to describe brand Ranbir Kapoor, how would you do that?
Well, I have my disadvantages, but I try and enhance my advantages, so that's what an audience can see. But I really don't know what really works for me, what doesn't work for me. It's been 3 years in this industry. I'm still, still finding my rhythm, finding my groove.
One thing that puts you off on television?
One thing that puts me off on television is actually lots of news channels, which report things which are in tabloid papers.
And something that you really like watching on TV?
Well, when it reports good news, Discovery Channel is great. Our reality shows are great. There's Kaun Banega Crorepati, there's Big Boss.
Any reality show that you would like to be a part of?
Well, I would love to host Kaun Banega Crorepati if I ever get the opportunity. I think there's a lot of respect, a lot of dignity, and I think it's a great family viewing show.
When you see yourself on TV, like when you just flip channels, you see yourself on TV, like what goes through it?
Well, I cringe. I don't think an actor likes to see himself on television. I don't hero worship myself. You tend to see so many faults. You did this wrong, or you said this wrong, or the pause was wrong, or this dance was wrong. So you're constantly criticizing yourself.
Keep it simple, silly. Keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple, silly. Keep it simple, stupid.
He's the young star who wears many hats. And stand-up comedian Ranbir Kapoor is asking some serious questions.
We men are simple. We open the door for you. You know what we want. We take you out in a fancy car. You know what we want. But what I don't get is, what the hell do you women want from us?
Stand-up comedy is not easy at all. It's not about getting on stage and doing loud gestures. That's very easy to make someone laugh. I think there is an art to stand-up comedy. I don't think I mastered it.
The face of a mobile network, Playboy Ranbir plays it safe when asked about who's topping his speed dial list.
The number one is my mother. I speak to her at least 2 or 3 times a day. I don't do anything in my day without actually letting her know, without actually talking to her.
Oh, Ranbir, how we wish we believed you. Maybe it's time you practice your own mantras?
हर इंसान के पास लाइफ में कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी और सिंप्लिसिटी के बीच में चॉइस होती है, और हर इंसान कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ही चूज करता है। ये देखो, मेरे एक और दोस्त की शादी का।
Entertainment Bureau, Times Now.